Hi, everybody. This is Alan Elman, the Blue Collar Investor, inviting you to join me at the Miami Investment Master Symposium on Thursday, May 15th, 2025. There, I'll be hosting three events. First, I'll be doing a 2-hour master's class on my favorite strategies, covered call writing and selling cash secured puts, and how we can integrate these into one multi-tiered option selling strategy. I consider this one of the best and most comprehensive PowerPoints I've ever created. I'll also be doing a workshop on using cryptocurrency in our low risk option portfolios, where we'll be using Bitcoin or IBIT, an ETF, a Bitcoin ETF, for both covered calls and cash secured puts. And we'll be showing you 4 real life examples, traditional and defensive, each for covered calls and cash secured puts. And finally, at the end of the day, I'll be part of an All Stars of Options panel. We'll talk about how options can benefit you in this current economic and challenging market environment. And then we'll open up the floor for your questions, and we'll be happy to answer any questions on any topics related to these option strategies. So join me on Thursday, May 15th at the Miami Investors Master Symposium. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care, everybody.